Hello, if you want to add more than 20 lines of text, I will show you the workaround for that. So for that, go to the assets folder and go to the typewriter presets and go to the first comp and copy this, edit layer, copy, and come to the bot message text comp and paste it here. Okay, so you have to increase the duration. Okay. Next, you can see the text is in white color. You can change it to the black color, and you need to change the size. So for this text, we are using Roboto regular 91, and let's change to 91 and remove the bold. Okay, here you go. Just put it here. That's it. So now you're gonna hide all of the layers and enable the BG. Now you can write the text here up to how many lines you want. Yeah, that's it. So with this workaround, you can write as many lines you want. Thank you for watching.